In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a task in Wrike. If you've been searching for ways to streamline your project management skills within this platform, you're in the right place. Let's dive into each step and make sure you can efficiently send tasks using Wrike. First things first, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Wrike account. Head over to the Wrike website, and from there, you'll be directed to your workspace. This is your dashboard, where you'll find all your projects and tasks neatly organized. It's essential to navigate with ease, and familiarizing yourself with this layout will make the process much smoother. Next, locate the specific project and folder that contains the task you want to send. The folders house all the relevant tasks related to a project, so being organized from the start will benefit you in the long run. Once you have found the correct folder, it's time to explore the different ways to send a task. Now, when it comes to actually sending a task in Wrike, you have a few methods at your disposal. The first and probably the most straightforward way is by sharing the task. In the task panel, you'll notice a share icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Simply click on this icon to share the task with the desired collaborators. This method is like giving someone access to the task, allowing them to view details, make edits, or just stay updated on its progress. If you're looking to send the task externally or inform someone outside the Wrike environment, you might consider sending a task link. Within the task details, you have the option to copy a direct link. Once you've copied this, you can paste and send that link via email or a chat message. This is particularly useful if you need a quick way to provide someone with access to the task specifics without necessarily having them navigate through Wrike themselves. Lastly, one of the more interactive methods involves tagging or mentioning someone directly in the task comments. This is great for when collaboration and immediate feedback are needed. By simply entering the @ symbol followed by the person's name, you can tag them in comments, which instantly notifies them about the task. It's a handy feature that keeps communication lines open and active. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to send a task in Wrike. Each method has its unique advantages, and choosing the right one depends largely on your specific needs and preferences within your team or organization. Explore these techniques, find what works best for you, and watch how it enhances the efficiency of your project management. Happy task handling, and see you in the next tutorial.